And on the top story of the Congress and the government war with regard to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Congress has issued a fresh statement on allegations against the RGF. The Indian National Congress and its leadership says, and I quote here, will not be intimidated by the cowardly acts by a panicked Modi government. Our determination to hold the government accountable to the people of India will only get strengthened by these desperate actions. All right, so clearly the Congress party not backing down. What you have right now here is a fresh statement coming in. Will not be intimidated by cowardly act by the Modi government, panicked Modi government, according to the Congress party, also stating that we will only ensure to continue to hold the government accountable despite this action that has been taken. So calling this a desperate action, the Congress party is only stepping up and it's not backing down. And remember, in the past few days as well, consistently, the Congress party has been from China or COVID-19 management, has raised questions to the government and directly attacked Prime Minister Modi. Anand Patel for all the latest. Anand, so a fresh statement now coming in from the Congress party. Anand, what exactly has been said? If you can quote for us the statement of the Congress party on the allegations against Rajiv Gandhi Trust. All right, we'll try and get that audio line back on with Anand Patel. He's been tracking all the latest and we will continue to bring you an update on the same. All right, we want to stay on this big story for now. Remember, this is not just about the Rajiv Gandhi Trust and the Congress and the BJP. This has serious allegations, whether it was Chinese donation coming in, whether there was a quid pro quo with the corporates. Was China in any way and its agencies being allowed to have any sort of control here? We have more breaking news coming in. And that Rahul Gandhi also now stepping up attack. Rahul Gandhi now saying Mr. Modi believes the world is like him. He thinks everyone has a price or can be intimidated. He will never understand those who fight for the truth have no price and cannot be intimidated. So after the Congress party statement, Rahul Gandhi himself jumping in. Anand Patel joins us now. Anand, strong comments. So clearly the Congress party not being on the defensive here.
Well, certainly not. And this is what the Congress party stand has been right from day one, ever since the attack was launched regarding the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation by none other than the BJP President JP Nadda himself. And we've been seeing a continuous attack by the BJP leaders, be it Ravi Shankar Prasad or the top leadership of the BJP, regarding the RGF donations. And now the Congress party is saying that this is all divergent issues which are being propelled by the BJP to take the nation's attention away from what is happening at the Ladakh border, where the standoff was going on for more than 2 months, and the BJP's policy failure as far as the China's border management is concerned led to our 20 brave hearts losing their life. So clearly the Congress party is saying that they don't have anything to hide, but in fact the Congress party is questioned back in its statement that whether the BJP will come clean on the donations received to the foundations and NGOs linked to the BJP.
Yes.
It is questioned that will the BJP come up with explanation on the donation received by Vivekanand Foundation, India Foundation, and also Overseas Friends of BJP Foundation. And to the extent they've also gone ahead and said that the donations received to the RSS, the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, should also be made public. So these are some of the questions which have been raised by the Congress party, and they've said that they will not be cowed down by the interministerial probe ordered by the Home Ministry because they don't have anything to hide.
All right, Anand, please keep tracking the latest. This is only going to get murkier between the Congress and the BJP, and depends who will have the evidence really to expose if there was a link at all.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.